Changing a password on Revolut is a straightforward process that helps keep your account secure. Follow these steps to update your password. Step 1. Open the Revolut app. Launch the Revolut app on your mobile device. Ensure you are logged into your account to access the settings. Step 2. Navigate to Profile. Tap on your profile icon, usually located in the top left corner of the app. This will take you to your account settings. Step 3. Access Security Settings. Scroll down and find the Security section within your profile settings. Tap on it to proceed to the Password Management options. Step 4. Select Change Password. Look for the option labeled Change Password and select it. You will be prompted to enter your current password followed by your new password. Step 5. Confirm changes. After entering your new password, confirm it by typing it again as prompted. Finally, save the changes to update your password successfully. By following these steps, you can easily change your password and enhance the security of your Revolut account.